people, what's popping? Kilonshele, Oginu name. Let's go there. Okay, wonderful people, beautiful people. It is your favorite Achalugo, Chidera Giselle on the microphone. If you are new to my channel, I am Chidera Giselle, a Nigerian lifestyle vlogger living in Owerri, Imo State. But currently, I'm in my village. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, so we're going to the stream in my village today. Yeah, this is my first time in my father's village. I've always gone to the stream in my maternal home. Like, the stream knows me and I know the stream. Yeah, but this place I've never gone to the stream before, so we'll be going to the stream right now. Yeah, but first of all, my cousins are currently at a borehole. They're fetching water there, so from there we'll be going to the stream. Anyhow, Sha, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I know you guys love stream vlogs, village vlogs, especially the ones that people go to the stream. So do well to sit back, relax and enjoy. So on our way to the borehole, my cousin took me to this place. Yeah, he went to do something in this particular mansion that belongs to somebody from our village. So I decided to take a video of this place. I asked him if I could, and he was like, yeah, sure, take the video. And oh my god, you guys, this mansion is so massive. Some people said in my village mansion tour video that those buildings like this are not mansions, that they are duplexes. See, I don't want to know. It's a mansion and it's a mansion, and that's some period. Yeah, so he took me to this place. Yeah, and this particular building has some rooms underground. I couldn't get a clear video of the place. If I got a clear video of the place, I would have made this video. I mean, I would have made one video about the whole mansion, but I just got a short clip, so I just decided to post it right here. So the place has tanks, and in this building they provide water to people in the community. Yeah, some people fetch water from the front of this particular building, but this was not the particular borehole we're going to. We're going to a borehole in another place, and at this point we passed this place. You guys, this place looks like it's leveled, but it's actually a hill, and I was really panting while climbing this particular place. Really panting. So after the borehole, we went back to our family house, and I decided to take videos of some things like this AGU, fresh AGU straight from the farm. Yeah, so I took video of it. That's what they used to make banga soup and anything. That's what they used to make palm oil basically, and they were warming the food for breakfast at the family house at this point. So we're waiting for them to be done with warming the food before we go to NGENE. Yeah, that's the name of the stream. But yeah, I got hungry and I told my little cousin sister that, Omo, where do they sell okpa in this village? This is ENUGU. I'm supposed to be seeing okpa somewhere. So she told me that they sell it at Central. So we took bike, and when we got to Central, we saw about 3 or 4 okpa sellers. It was a Sunday, so not so many people were out. So after getting the okpa, I took a little portion for tasting to know whether I would buy only one or buy so many. Yeah, so I tasted some okpa, and after tasting the okpa, I bought some amount and I took it home, and some of us ate okpa, and after eating the okpa, we're off to NGENE. You guys, I'm going to the stream with my cousins now. Say hi. Hi. Look at my fine sisters. We're heading to the stream now. Let me turn the camera around and show you guys how they look. So this is Deborah, Favor and Meso. They are taller than me. Oh. Can you guys imagine? They're actually taller than me. It's the name of the stream we're going to is called NGENE. Abi? Yeah. NGENE. So we're going to NGENE now. So let's go and see how NGENE looks. Wow, this place looks so. This place is giving me village vibes very well, as if I'm in Nollywood. That's the vibe this place is actually giving to me. But it doesn't have hill like my mom's village. The ground is leveled. Guys, here's another huge mansion on our way to the stream. Wow. Ndiwo. They marry me here. So this place has a bush path. It's not like the one in my mom's village. I think I'm going to be linking it up right now. It's not like that one that is just on a straight road, a motorable road. This one has bush paths, but people's houses are actually close to it. In my mom's village, houses are not so close to the stream. The stream is quite far. Wow. Guys, right here we're at NGENEGU. I've been NGENEGU. Is it NGENEGU? I've been NGENEGU. At NGENEGU. And I want to show you guys this stream. I'm going to dip my feet inside because this is my father's village. Normally, if it's somebody else's village, I don't think I'll put my leg inside the water. But it's my father's village, so nothing is going to happen to me. Yeah, let's do this. You guys, this is a rock. If you can look closely, there's a rock there. They said that's where the water comes out from. I don't know what those pipes are for. But this is what is so clean. Is it drinking water?
Yes, you drink it inside, not this one.
Okay, you can drink the one that is inside there. But you cannot drink this one. Because this one is dirty. Yes. Okay, so this is Debbie, my sister. Hi. She's going to get water. And me too, I'll be entering to get water too. I'll go and join her. Is it drinking water that I'll get?
Yes, drinking water.
But she's getting normal one.
She's getting it.
Okay. So you guys, when we were coming to NGENEGU, I was expecting like a deep stream where one can swim and all of that, but I met this, and my cousins told me that this place was like a living spring before. This place where you see something like a small hut that they put blocks with zinc. They said it was a living spring before. The water was pouring from up and also pouring from inside this rock that you can see water coming out from now. But when the white men came to ENUGU in those days, they built this, and after they built it, the water stopped gushing forth from the top of it. Stopped being a spring. It was just coming out from down. And whenever they want to fetch drinking water, they get from just inside and not from outside. So at this point, I was getting water, I was fetching the water. It looks so shallow, but no matter how big the gallon you're putting in is, you're still going to be able to fetch it without putting sand into the gallon. There's just a way it happens. You just happen to fetch it. Like all these streams, all these water bodies in the village, they're always so mysterious and all of that. Anyways, I was still so excited to go to the stream at my father's village. In fact, that was the first thing I asked for, because even in my mom's village, I love going to the stream so much. It just gives me this natural vibe and all of that. And after we're done fetching water, we headed towards home. And my cousins took the gallon from me. You guys, if my voice is sounding coarse in this voiceover, it's because I'm having serious sore throat. I'm just managing to edit this video and make this voice over. So you guys, hope you have seen NGENEGU. The drinking water stream in my village. So we are heading back to the house. Uche's trad preparation is still on. I don't know whether I'll post that one before posting this one. You understand? I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you enjoyed it, the sun is not really nice here, but I have to continue the video. So if you enjoyed this video, do give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video. Let's move this ministry to the permanent site. You want to go? And hopefully I'm going to be seeing you in my next one. For now, bye, kiss kiss, love you.